Wolves, welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sela Broadcasting Network.
Buenos dias, Sela family.
I am Jenna.
Yo soy Zanaya.
Happy Wednesday, June 7th.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now for the weather.
High Wolf. It's 70 degrees and mostly cloudy. Right now this afternoon it will be 82 degrees and mostly cloudy. Now back to our host.
Thanks for the weather update.
Now let's see what's for the lunch menu today.
Paper script, Bradley.
Chicken nugget with sauce, garlic knot bread, carrot, sweet potato waffle, pear cups, whole fresh apples, some butter and jelly sandwich, yogurt bag with lemon bread, broccoli, cheese, veggie, pinwheel. Now back to our host.
Birthday celebrations is next.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy Wednesday, Wolfpack. I'm going to be doing celebrations for today, and we're going to do celebrations for those who are going to have birthdays outside of the school year. So for the June 7th birthdays, happy birthday to Justin in 2nd grade, Enrique in 5th grade, Jocelyn in 8th grade, Kevin in 1st grade, Scarlett in 2nd grade, and Kellier in 5th grade. Now for our people who are celebrating their birthdays outside of school. Happy birthday to Jocelyn in 2nd grade, Carson in 1st grade, Emily in 5th grade, Jalen in 6th grade, Yair in 3rd grade, Caleb in 8th grade, Belky in 4th grade, Adrian in 2nd grade, Daniela in 2nd grade, Brismelli in kindergarten, Jose in kindergarten, Jamarian in 2nd grade, Isaias in 2nd grade, Peyton in 1st grade, Camden in kindergarten, Dennis in 1st grade, Brenda, 5th grade, Sophia, 3rd grade, Kate, 4th grade, Jerson, 8th grade, Dylan in kindergarten, Jose in kindergarten, Ian in 4th grade, Camila in kindergarten, Edwin in 7th grade, Rosie in 6th grade, Fatima in 4th grade, Elizabeth in 5th grade, Ulysses in 7th grade, Angelina in 2nd grade, Abrith in 2nd grade, Sarai in 1st grade, Christina in 5th grade, Emily Tyler in kindergarten, Naria in 6th grade, and we're going to continue celebrating birthdays later on this week.
Happy birthday! Today's positive affirmation is
I am grateful of what I have.
today's B-Day in middle school.
I am Jenna.
Yo soy Zanaya.
Just 3 more days left of school.
Adios!
Sorry, 2 days left of school. Sorry, 2 days left of school.